Dear ENET patients, relatives, colleagues, and friends, my name is Eva Jansson, and I'm the chair of ENETS, the European Neuroendocrine Tumor Society.
And I'm Mark MacDonald, president of INCA, the International Neuroendocrine Cancer Alliance. I'm also a ENET patient diagnosed over 10 years ago.
Both of us, on behalf of our societies, are happy and excited to invite you to our second joint educational webinar event in connection with the International NET Cancer Day on the 10th of November.
This webinar is especially focused on you, the patient. In the first section of the webinar, we set ourselves the challenge of decoding terminology in a patient-oriented introduction. We call this demystifying NEN terminology.
Our second session in the webinar deals with the question, how do we select between established treatments in advanced NEN? Patients with neuroendocrine tumors in general have a very good prognosis in terms of survival. However, many different treatment options, especially in advanced stages, may confuse patients or cause them to question the treatments of or the treatment sequence offered to them. We aim to provide some clarity and explain the different treatment options that are available. Our third part deals with new treatments and what is coming down the track. You're always invited during this webinar to post questions of general character, and these will be answered in the Q&A after each talk.
In our final part, we will explore the question, how can patient advocacy groups help you, the patient? As a chronic and rare disease, patients usually have not heard of neuroendocrine cancer and do not know of anyone with the disease. Peer groups, therefore, are paramount for patient support. INCA, as the umbrella group of these, has worked on initiatives for evidence-based patient advocacy work. Expect some thoughts and hopefully helpful ideas. You're very welcome to bring these back to your local initiatives.
Recordings of this joint webinar will be available on the websites of INCA and ENETS with subtitles in German, French, Italian, and Spanish after the event. So please bookmark the INCA ENETS webinar on the 10th of November between 12 and 2:15 Central European Time in your calendars.
We look forward to you joining us for our event.